Your brain is a world, class pattern, matching machine. But that same efficiency often tricks you into believing things that simply aren't true. Today, we're unpacking the art of critical thinking to help you dismantle biases, avoid intellectual traps, and make sharper decisions. You'll learn why questioning your own logic is the most powerful tool for navigating an increasingly complex world. Most people mistake critical thinking for being cynical or argumentative. But it's about intellectual humility. It's the active process of analyzing information objectively rather than accepting it at face value. Think of a detective at a crime scene. They don't look for evidence that confirms their initial hunch. Instead, they look for evidence that contradicts it. By intentionally trying to prove yourself wrong, you pressure. Test your beliefs, turning fragile opinions into resilient knowledge. The biggest enemy of critical thinking is the confirmation bias, our psychological tendency to cherry-pick data that supports what we already believe. Consider this: when we see a social media post that aligns with our worldview, we share it instantly without verification. If it challenges us, we demand extraordinary proof. To combat this, practice the steel man technique. Before criticizing an opposing argument, reconstruct it in its strongest possible form to ensure you aren't just attacking a straw man. Surprisingly, the most critical thinkers often admit to being the most ignorant about complex topics. This is the Dunning-Kruger effect in reverse. The more you learn, the more you realize how much you don't know. Stay tuned, because next, we'll explore the first principles method used by history's greatest innovators to solve impossible problems. Mastering critical thinking isn't about being right. It's about getting closer to the truth by stripping away ego and emotion. By constantly asking why and challenging your own assumptions, you gain the clarity required to thrive in a world filled with noise. If you want to sharpen your mind, and let me know in the comments, what's one belief you've changed your mind about recently?